join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little dicky birds peeking at the sky, flapping their wings, oh so high. Peter chased a butterfly near the tree. Paul sang a song by the buzzing bee. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Over the rooftops, through it all. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Perching again on the garden wall. Two little dicky birds hopped on a swing, playing and chirping, making the air ring. Peter spun around with a happy cheer. Paul danced a jig, shaking his rear. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Into the clouds, answering nature's call. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Landing again with a joyful squall. Two little dicky birds snuggled in the sun. Day full of laughter and so much fun.